For today's makeup look, we're doing this broken mirror face paint makeup look. And first with black face paint, I'm sketching out the shape, trying to make more towards the middle of the face more symmetrical, but still giving it a broken, cracked effect. Then continuing that on the neck and chest area. Then I begin to fill in the pieces. I'm going piece by piece, making some sections of it lighter with the white and some sections darker with a dark gray or black. Using reference photos of broken mirrors to see how they should be shaded. So some pieces will be lighter and some pieces will have different patterns within each piece. And for this I'm using white, gray, dark gray, and black face paint, but you could also do this with eyeshadow if you wanted. And each piece we filled in differently because each of them is now kind of facing a different side. Now that it's cracked, they're not all facing the same direction. It can take a long time to fill in each one individually and make a different pattern in each one, but I feel like this will make it look more realistic. Here around the lips area, I'm filling in each piece, and then later I'll go in and make a lip kind of shape. Then continuing with the same kind of shading on the chest and neck area. And that completes this cracked mirrored effect makeup look. Then I added white contacts for a more scary, haunted kind of look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below, and thank you for watching.